Man, I had a long day at barber school. Man, ain't nobody coming in. Seemed like the pandemic got everybody scared to walk in, man. How I'm gonna get cuts now? Man, I need to really brush up on my skills. Let me watch 360 Jeezy. Nah, he good. My man taking mad long on these intros, man. Come on now. Bro, I wish you would just hurry up, man. For real. What? What's up? Nah, I was just saying that, like, you should speed these intros up. What are you talking about? I just started. I know you just. I just started. I know, but like, you taking way too long at this point. For real? This is what we're doing? I mean, you do this with every. This is what we're doing now? You do this with every intro, man. Every intro you take heck long. Like, if you would just like really just. That's the problem with this generation. Y'all too slow, okay? Take it down a notch. Bro, okay? You ain't even gotta. You ain't even gotta. I'm just trying to. I'm a subscriber. Chill. I ain't even got started yet. But it's people that follow you that just want to know how to cut hair, and you're not allowing them to do that with these long intros. Stand here, and I'm gonna stand here until you're done. Bro, I'm done. Go ahead. Speak. Do what you do. Are we done? I'm done. I'm done. Okay then. That's what I'm saying. Patience. How about that? That was fire. Was that quick enough for you? That was quick. It was quick. That quick enough for you? It was quick. I really wanted you to slow it down a little bit, but you wanted me to go slower now. Now you want me to go slower. Yeah, because I couldn't really learn nothing. Okay? You know I got a tutorial coming up next. How about that? You can't learn from this one. I know, but yeah. I know you wanted to know, but you can't learn from this one. You got to wait until the tutorial comes out. Hey, can I at least look at what it look like? I'll give you a peek at what it look like. Yeah, don't worry about it. Let me see that. I got you. It's fire. If you wasn't rushing me, you could have learned something. That's fire, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't even gonna hold you on that one. That was pretty dope, man. That blend is something else. Yeah, watch the tutorial. Watch the tutorial. It's coming up next. All right. Peace. Where you get your beats? So my client came in with this head full of hair, wanting to cut it all the way down. He wanted a number 4, so I grabbed the number 4 with the lever open, and basically I'm just taking off all of the hair going against the grain. So now I'm gonna set in my bald line using my Babyliss Skeleton FX, and I'm gonna set it in a way where I still keep my C cut. I'm going up around the ear, and I'm gonna drop it in the back. Bias being still a drop fade. You want to drop it in the back, and when you put this bald line in, you want to have a clear visual on the head shape. All right, don't just put this bald line in like this on everybody. All right, identify the head shape, look at how the head is forming, and then set your bald line in. Now, it is possible to put this line in, you know, the drop fade on everybody, but You want to make sure, like I said, go with the head shape. Now with the Babyliss shavers, I'm gonna make the bottom half razor bald. All right, this adds another transition to your blends. Notice how I'm not going all the way up to that line. You don't want to make it difficult for you to take out that bottom line. You want to leave about a centimeter worth of room. I don't really know the measurements, but you just don't want to go fully all the way up to that line because it's going to get difficult for you to take it out. So right now I'm going back with my liners, just making sure that I get the line as neat as possible. Using my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about a full inch. Usually I go about a half inch, but I'm gonna go up a full inch this time, being that the fade is super low. So I'm gonna go up a full inch because I want to see a great transition, and I'm gonna keep it consistent, going over the guidelines multiple times all the way around. So in the same way that I set the lever open, I'm putting on my one guard with the lever open, going up a full inch, making sure I go over the guideline multiple times all the way through.
Where you get your beats?
HustleDreamProduction.
So instead of grabbing my number 2, I'm gonna go with the clipper over comb, setting my comb at a 90-degree angle and just basically taking off whatever comes off. I want to build shape, but later on I'm gonna come behind it with the 2 guard and make sure I got everything blended in. Now putting back on the one guard with the lever open, in a flick out motion, I'm basically cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Because I don't have a 1.5 guard, the flick out motion allows me to blend that in, without using it. So now closing the lever on that one guard, I'm just softening up that bottom line, not necessarily flicking out at this point. I'm just basically going up halfway from when I set in my one guard open, and I'm just making sure that, you know, I soften it up. That way it's easier to come behind it with the next step. Now putting on my zero guard with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now it's going to be a lot easier to take out this bottom line because you softened it up with the one guard closed. Make sure you guys use your corners as much as possible. It may look like I'm using the full blade, but trust me, throughout this process, I like taking it slow, making sure every part of this blend is you know, taken care of. So utilize your corners and work in increments. So in the same way that I softened up the one guard with the lever closed, in that way when I softened up that middle line is the same, it's basically the same way I'm gonna soften up this bottom line, and that's with the lever halfway. So I'm just going up halfway of when I set in my lever open, and basically just softening up this bottom line so it's easier to take it out with the next step. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, use your corners the entire time.
HustleDreamProduction.
So the last step you want to take as far as doing your fade is detailing. All right, that is the most important part of the blend. You want to take a look away from the blend and readjust your eyes. All right, you could use the mirror. The mirror actually gives you a different perspective on the blend. It'll show you different things that, you know, normally looking dead on you can't see. Go in areas where you used your guards and just use your corners, you know what I mean? Use your clippers as thinning shears. That's the way I like to use them and do my detailing and take out bulk. call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.